The appointed Son of God is now sick. Parang may mali. Apollo Kibuloy is a false teacher and the founder of Kingdom of Jesus Christ, the name above every name. And he had many claims aside from being the appointed Son of God. One of his claims is being the new owner of the world. Siya na daw ang bagong may-ari ng sanlibutan ito. Para lang may deed of sale. He declared that this transfer of ownership happened in 2005 dahil ang Diyos daw ay nakita siyang tapat. Pangalawa sa kanyang mga false claims is that salvation is only through Him. Siya lang ang pipirma ng ating kaligtasan para tayo makapunta sa langit. He claims that KJC is the only true church and that salvation can only be attained by following Him. Siguro konektado to kasi nga siya na may-ari ng mundo. Isa pa sa mga claims niya is that he can control natural disasters. Way back 2019, siguro naaalala ninyo na pinatigil daw niya ang lindol sa Mindanao. At sa kanya pong nararanasan at kinalalagyan ngayon, siguro naman hindi ko na po kailangan i-explain na mahaba para maintindihan natin that he really is a false teacher. Beware of false teachers.